I recognize the dedication, discipline, and commitment of our personnel in serving the Filipino people and protecting our communities. Last week, we highlighted the simultaneous launching of 4 unified 911 satellite command centers in Region 6, where I represented the DILG Secretary Juanito Victor C. Remulla Jr. We witnessed another significant step toward bringing government services closer to our communities. The Unified 911 serves as a bridge between the police and the Filipino people. Through this initiative, when our people call for help, government must be ready to respond. On another matter, the PNP and Bless Our Cups Incorporated PUPC Welfare Stakeholders Meeting was held last Saturday, presided by our Deputy Chief PNP for Administration, Police Lieutenant General Bernard M. Banac, and is spearheaded by the PNP Human Rights Affairs Office. The activity reaffirmed our commitment to upholding the rights, dignity, rehabilitation, and spiritual well-being of persons under police custody, emphasizing humane treatment, respect, and opportunities for reform. On the operational front, our intensified police operations continue to yield significant results nationwide. Our personnel successfully apprehended wanted persons, disrupted smuggling activities, and address carnapping incidents and other criminal activities that threaten public safety. May 29 to June 4 of this year, anti-illegal drug operations resulted in the confiscation of more than 100 million pesos worth of illegal drugs, reflecting our sustained drive against the drug menace and its harmful effects in the communities. All these efforts support our Safer Cities initiative. Meanwhile, the PNP remains steadfast in its commitment to the fair, impartial, and professional implementation of lawful court orders. Recent action involving the services of warrants and custody procedures against several high-profile individuals demonstrates that the rule of law applies equally to all, regardless of status, position, or influence. As law enforcers, our duty is not to determine guilt or innocence, but to faithfully enforce lawful court orders while respecting the rights and dignity of all involved. Beyond the enforcement of our court orders, the PNP continues its commitment to community safety as it stands ready under the Balik Eskwela program for the opening of classes. The country has more than 46,000 basic education schools composed of around 40,000 public and 6,000 private educational institutions. Ang ligtas na pagbabalik eskwela ay responsibilidad nating lahat sa pamamagitan ng pinaigting na police presence at pakikipagtulungan sa komunidad. Patuloy nating tinitiyak ang maayos at mapayapang pagbubukas ng klase. Sa pagsisimula ng panibagong linggo ng serbisyo, hinihikayat ko ang bawat isa na manatiling tapat, disiplinado at makatao sa pagtupad ng ating tungkulin. Let us continue to serve with integrity, professionalism, and genuine commitment to public service. Our actions must always reflect a police organization that is responsive, responsible, and reliable under the bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.